and sisters in the Lord and in general things. Now with open mind and clear eye as usual, now to welcome you come on top the portmanteau today. As you now know, say this one another one show where they get in mind to chook mouth for matters where other programs not defeat chook mouth put. And I me Osagiato, that fine proud Benin boy, well of now they call talk. Nice to sit down here, so and by the special grace of God, that's why this year I'm not here alone. I sit here with my usual guest, my honorable fellow.
Yes, now so now your guy, now your boy, Bamidele Okbayami Bello, and my name where everybody they call MC Ball. Today we're going to bring out some stories, some matters where other shows don't go feel put mouth for Portmanteau today.
Now Bobby. All right, my people, now know say immediately after our introduction like that, and as we go collect our coffee, and I won't go do so. When we come back, we'll come put the portmanteau, come bring out the very first matter, when enter inside the portmanteau. We're not go anywhere when they come back. Bobby.
Yeah, bro.
You know say for Kaduna now. For Kaduna, once you clock 18, 1,000 every. I don't know whether every year, I mean every month.
Every blessing every year.
If I dey stay for Kaduna, me Osagiato, Benin boy, I don't go clock 18. Even as I dey now, I go. How old are you? I'm 12 plus, 12 and a half.
Proceed if you be 12 now.
12 and a half.
As in 9.
Honestly.
Why you big like this? I say, bro, sir.
Jet age.
Nah, just jet age.
Jet age, we grow more than our age. I say, but you are married now with children. I say, yes, now. I married when I was 8 and a half. My first son is about 2 years plus and he's in university now. Oh, trick, I will not be deceived. We will deceive ourselves now. Wait till they worry them.
Collect 1,000 per head.
Per head, and you know where the thing they pay me pass now. I be say whether you dey work whether you know they work
they no send you.
They not send you once you clock 18, 1,000. 1,000.
Ha! Kaduna State government do not try.
Oga Rufai, we clap for you.
Oga Rufai,
well done,
master.
You know even the reason whether people they chop. You know the reason whether people get work.
Bro, don't be that Rufai wey be say that time wey say they go dey loot. Where he carry helicopter. Come go dey search for Indomie. So anybody wey loot Indomie make dem go.
Make dem use helicopter look for am.
Anybody wey can anywhere wey dey find looted content inside house.
Looted Indomie. They go flog you. Indomie. No do so. No do.
Imagine.
How they use helicopter.
So I no surprised. That 1,000 they go increase am 1,500.
Not 1,000. You know even the reason whether people get work. You know the reason whether people see food chop. You know the reason whether business they run. You know the reason. You know 1,000 compulsory once you are 18.
Adult levy.
Well, God go help us.
Amen.
We did this country.
Yes, sir.
Now not be this country we
did. Now we did, bro.
Now we did. Now we still there.
We did here.
Now that one I go lead us enter the very first matter inside the portmanteau today. Yeah. Another one. See this country, this set of leaders, we don't go stop to the laugh.
I tell you.
Now so laugh that they make us laugh.
Every day.
In fact, now I can't be ashamed to tell person I be comedian because their own jokes now don't funny pass my own.
Well. They funny pass also.
I'm not gonna get jokes from where Nigerian politicians do again. Kogi State. Why you dey laugh? Make I talk.
As you mentioned.
Kogi State impose levy on top bread.
Bob, oh boy, common man food.
Compulsory levy on top every loaf of bread. Not be say group of bread, not be consortium of bread, not be association of bread.
Now wow.
Every loaf of bread, they impose levy. Say now, so I'm only say they don't mention how much, but they impose levy. Now,
okay.
Not be the levy where they impose. That be my problem. If you impose levy.
Okay.
Now the reason behind that levy, the purpose why they impose that levy is so funny, so childish, so undiplomatic,
Yes.
so irrational,
So barbaric,
so unreasonable.
how dated.
The reason, you know the reason.
Bros, I dey read am somewhere recently.
The reason why they impose levy on top bread for Kogi state na because of say they wan discourage neighboring communities and states from bringing bread into Kogi state to come and sell without paying any levy.
Can you imagine? So now, if you bring now, based on the fact say neighboring states dey bring in bread according to their claim. Now to stop such acts is to impose levy
on the bread.
on the bread. Now the bread be the problem now.
Now my question na be this now.
Okay.
This levy wey they impose on bread, is it only on bread coming from outside into Kogi state, or this levy will also be on bread that are produced by Kogi bakers, Kogi state bakers?
I was reading somewhere where the commissioner actually was making a statement and was saying that everybody, the levy is on bread generally, as long as they are baking bread in that state, as long as they are selling, baking and selling bread in that state, there is a levy on every bread sold and every bread
baked in Kogi state. So now the levy also affects
indigenous bakers.
Indigenous bakers. It affects indigenous bakers. So now, how does it now discourage the influx of bread from other neighboring communities?
It does not at all. In fact, the competition is going to be high because everybody knows, okay, on top every bread wey beside the sell, there is a commission at which the state government is. It's not solving anything.
It's not solving anything, because if you are imposing tax or levy on bread because you want to discourage external bakers from bringing bread into your own state, and that levy is also affecting or is also binding on your indigenous bakers, that means it's still the same. It doesn't have any change
At all.
They will bring their bread and they will pay your levy.
They will pay your levy. It is the people that will suffer. They will buy bread expensive.
You know my problem with these people is that even when they were taking this decision,
Yes.
the indigenous bakers were not even carried along.
Yes, that's true.
Because according to the document that was made available to us here, let me read. It says, the state chapter of the Association of Master Bakers and Caterers of Nigeria has said it received a memo from the State Ministry of Commerce imposing a levy on each loaf of bread. He received what? A memo. He received a memo. That means they go discuss am.
They can't come back.
They not even come back. They just send their memo, maybe via email. We hereby impose levy on every bread that you are producing. This is to discourage other people from coming to sell bread in our state.
Now they complain, so we don't help una take decision on our behalf. We una no need dey there.
When the Bakers Association was talking, look at what they said. They said ANBCN, that is the Association of Master Bakers, and Caterers of Nigeria, said this move would bring unbearable pain upon its members.
Yes.
That is what we said earlier. It's the Kogi bakers that will suffer more.
And the indigents who are going to in turn who are going to be buying the bread from the baker's hand.
Now,
buying it expensive.
let's even leave. You know what? Let's leave the consumers out of this matter now.
Okay.
Let's talk about those in the baking business, in the bread baking business. Now, there are influx of external bread coming in,
Yeah.
which your own consumers are buying. You understand? Because for you to say you want to discourage influx of foreign other bread into your state, that means you have discovered that your consumers, your states are consuming more of those bread coming from outside than the indigenous bread bakers, the product of your indigenous bakers.
Now, so obviously.
So that hopefully that is what you saw. And now you want to forestall it, you want to divert consumers now to begin to patronize indigenous bread. You get what I'm saying now? So your idea is to impose a levy on bread. If I have fallen in love with a bread that is coming from outside, you now impose a levy on that same bread coming from outside, and the levy you impose is also binding on the bread that I don't really want to buy. So what makes the difference?
It does.
I will just add the difference and buy the one I used to buy.
Yes.
I hope you get what I'm saying now. Because I used to say this thing. This set of politicians that are governing the country today, they are very lazy.
Intellectually.
I know I be not one talker. Now you can't talk.
They
are intellectually lazy. This is a situation you ought to sit down, analyze.
Yes.
And bring in your indigenous bakers. See what we have discovered. How do you think we can make this thing work for you and discourage the influx of other communities bread into our society? Sit down with them and discuss. And I'm sure with those the association of bakers, with their idea, you will have gotten a better way of resolving this other than imposing levy on bread.
You know it's in bros, wetin me I been teaching. You see all this grammar with the commissioner be dey speak, the evangelist commissioner.
Evangelist Kingsley Fanwo.
And
a young guy, you very youth. Na youth guy, you God.
Me, I been to say, make the cuckoo talk to. They want generate revenue for the state through bread, because bread na common man food. Bros, e no be one day wey be say at least in a week, bros, I go chop bread 3 times.
You're all small now. You are not a bread lover.
Hey, at least 3 times.
No day where it break. If I not get bread, I go. No day where it break. We are not dey buy.
So they don't see area wey be say they fit generate revenue. Wey be say they don't chook eye there. They can't dey lie on top. Man, not say they lie. They can't dey manage the truth. Say
they wan use am discourage other communities from bringing bread into Kogi State.
Well, already wey be say una don get existing competition. Are you not supposed to help the bakers? Are you supposed to kill them the more?
What you tell us now?
You are supposed to help them.
If you go my tweets, the tweet where I tweet be, what you are supposed to do, what do you do in the face of competition? When there is competition, what you do is go back to the drawing board, fashion out ways of how to opt your game.
Yes.
You understand? Raise the bar, raise the standard. Your standard is what will attract consumers.
Yes.
Your levy, see, you know Nigerian mentality. I feel because of say this thing is 1 naira cheaper. I go use that 1 naira, enter motor, go where e dey 1 naira cheaper.
Na so.
Those are Nigerians they think. For instance now, if for your place now, they sell bread 200. At that same size of bread, they sell am for my own side 180. And transport from your side to my side na 50 naira. Those Nigerians go use that 50 naira enter transport come buy bread 180 for my side. Because they perceive as say that product is cheaper here. So for you to impose levy, e no affect your people anyhow. They fit because of that levy now. Enter Okada, go neighboring community, go buy bread. I think you understand. You understand. What I expected them to do was to call the bakers, discuss with them how can the government assist you to up your game, to raise the quality standard,
raise the bar,
and attract consumers. So that if I see the quality of your bread, that it beats the one that they are bringing for neighboring communities, why will I buy that one? I will buy this your own that is more quality. That is the sense I expected them to apply. He said, why? See, my question now, Bob, why is this government always attacking the masses?
Imagine.
Anything where masses they use, they survive.
Now that one.
Now they chook eye.
They chook eye. Anything where the masses will say the common man and bread where they use whole body.
Bread where labor go just buy for site.
Just
go just press am like this, cut am pan.
Buy one soft drink.
One pure water or something. As e dey just e don finish, e don carry momo, e don walk go. Now to buy that bread now go hard down. If e go collapse for site now, who they go say devil. Family problem.
So they don't push out for village.
But you see Obaseki NDC where who know whether na man chop now? And they impose levy on top bread.
Maybe that bread that man like now. Maybe that bread he like.
Full policeman just collapse.
We will forever be grateful to you for covering us with the umbrella when we were abandoned in political wilderness.
You see, it's not interesting. We are just joking about all these things. I expect this government to look for a more secured way of generating funds.
Yes.
Or gathering revenue instead of always the easiest way to go and generate revenue is what the masses are using to manage themselves, manage to survive.
Bread wey be say we still dey complain say e don expensive. Bros, before I no go lie for you. You know say at the shop, you understand?
I know now.
You know that the shop small.
No, not small. Yeah.
I go shop 100 naira bread.
You and your plates be like stadium.
I go shop 100 naira bread, 120. I don full. Now if I shop 100 naira bread, bros, e dey be like say you dey starve me, because the bread from like this e dey reduce every day. Small time now, maybe 100 naira bread go be like this,
bro. That one
just throw for mouth.
Na size you even dey talk. You never notice say bread these days, bread wey dey even call dey post levy on top now. Bread these days, you never notice say e go just be like wetin dey pump air inside. Once you cut that nylon press you don na wetin I use 350 or 250 buy now.
Oh boy,
I tell you, you know. So
bros, I shop what bread, what the 200 naira bread. I don't forget I don't shop bread finish. I can't look for the bread. I don't shop and finish.
This one where Kogi people they do. This one where Kogi government do. You know make bread. Not be bread they supposed target, because bread now the easiest food where common man they fit afford.
Supposed target like wine.
You know say bread, this kind thing where Kogi state do so. It caused problem for France 1 year, bread revolution. Where it caused serious problem for France. Where we say before France recover, make Kogi tika well. Make they no attack bread. Make they leave bread for common masses.
Yes,
look for other things like all those for abroad. Now luxury goods, like they impose levies and taxes on.
Yes.
Luxury goods.
Yes, expensive stuff.
Luxury goods. Like if you go luxury goods, they gather enough levy and tax for.
You will want buy yourself.
Yes,
you heavy.
Look, Obamacare now. Obamacare is about collecting from the rich to treat the poor.
Yes.
Not be say collecting from the poor to make the rich stronger. What is the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of that nonsense?
And that is what this move connotes now.
That is what Kogi State move of levy on bread is about.
How can you be putting levy on bread, common masses food?
You know, say another thing where you go put levy on.
Abeg, Kogi State, Mona think where that levy not make bread. Evangelist Honorable Kingsley, Fanwu. Honorable Evangelist Kingsley Fanwu. Mona reason well. If una want develop, una want gather fund for una state, not be bread una go attack. Mona look for luxury goods.
Yes.
Make advice una luxury goods. Now make una fine impose tax on goods where be say anybody where e don shop belle full na dey go there. Not be bread where be say na hungry people food. Una hear me now. Una hear that advice so. Abeg mo take this twin break. When we come back, we'll enter the second matter on top the portmanteau today. My people, now welcome back to the show. I know say this one at the portmanteau today. That show where we dey always tell una say they get the mind to chook mouth for matter where other programs no dey fit chook mouth to. We still want thank una all of una one don dey respond to us on social media. We say thank una. Those of una one don subscribe on top our YouTube channel. We say thank una too. As una dey watch am, abeg make una dey remember to leave 1 or 2 comments on top YouTube too. Una no forget say this conversation continue. We no end inside our studio here. Join the conversation on top all our social media platform. Everywhere we dey talk, any sense where you feel say you fit borrow us on top them, borrow them on top our social media handles. Then we go respond to you. The next matter we wan carry wey enter inside the portmanteau, we wan carry give una today on top the portmanteau na Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Sanwo-Olu wan stop pension package for ex-governors.
na good news.
Na good news.
Na very good news.
Okay.
Na good thing. You know say they call am Sanwo-Eko. Nah, you no go Sanwo-Eko again.
Now you no go somewhere else governors again.
You no go somewhere else governor. You go the Sanwo-Eko true.
Oh, the matter touch me. The matter enter me when I see how I say the thing wey I first think for my head na be say this one wey Sanwo-Olu wan shook leg put. He wan stop pension for ex-governors. He don mature reach to do this kind thing as a politician.
Well, you see, once beaten, twice shy.
Okay.
He go look ahead. He go look the fault of those wey be say they come before am.
Okay.
He no go wan make the same mistake as far as politics is concerned. So he go don consult. Bros, he go don do permutation. Talking about maturing politically. If he no mature politically, he no become governor because his person dey wey dey behind am. So I think say the office of the governor more off than the personality.
Okay.
Say the office of the governor, say he get rights to do this kind thing as executive governor of Lagos State. No be
in person.
No be in person.
Not be in years for politics.
No be yes for
So now based on the power,
constitution.
constitution and the power wey that
And the
office
power wey that office carry.
So now make dem not talk say na Sanwo-Olu na that means na the office.
Na the office.
Na wan stop am.
Yes.
But you know say this thing wey Sanwo-Olu wan activate now. Court be don stop
Give
this
induction,
thing.
yes.
Since say make dem no go ahead with that payment law wey dem bin bring out.
Yes.
And when dem turn that na for federal throughout the whole Nigeria that law should not be taken to practice.
Yes.
I think I understand na only 2 states,
So far.
Zamfara
yeah.
and one other state na obey law.
Yes.
You see I say this our governors dem no respect law. Law say make una no do this thing, una do am.
They say they want to leak the honey, they go after government. They go leak the honey.
When I read the package, Bob, to become ex-governor, how they agree me.
I tell you.
And I don't want to be governor. I don't want to do governor. I just want to be ex-governor.
Ex-governor.
Me, I just be ex-governor.
Ex-governor. Bros, I even ask you. Say all those boys wey dey give one day governor. You say they go give them one day governor. Say they dey included.
When I read the package, I shock. I shock. 6 brand new cars in 3 years. Every 3 years, they collect 6 new cars.
They call out Oshara.
Oshara. 2 houses. One in your choice area in Lagos, the other one in your choice area in Abuja.
Na duplex, mansion, and be bungalow.
Na house. Your ex-governor, they'll call build bungalow give her. They'll call build bungalow give ex-governor. 2 houses. Entitled to 6 police officers and 2 DSS.
Now to become ex-governor be that too.
Hospital, medical. Allowance. And the choice hospital in the world. Anywhere you like for medical treatment.
Now you go dey go.
Now you go go.
Kai.
Many furniture allowance. You are entitled to one PA, personal assistant, where his salary dey run enter 1 something million.
Kai.
Ex-governor.
Kai.
My brother, when I read all these things, I say, nah, if I no want be governor, I want be ex-governor. As a day, I'm ready to become ex-governor.
They just include your name.
Ex-governor.
That fine, proud Benin boy.
Ex-governor.
Ex-governor.
Forget about the governor. Just put me for ex-governor. And you know, say Sanwo-Olu now they propose this thing based on say money not dey Lagos again.
Now waiting them talk.
He say money not dey to run government. Say so
Sanwo-Olu
this one
say
now.
money no dey
This one
Lagos.
now. Then they want to generate money give Lagos State.
But then I hear some kind things there. So as he talk and say he say money no dey in Lagos again.
Yeah.
So he want stop ex-governor money so that they go use their money to fund Lagos.
State. That's so now. You know, say you God. You know, say this is where you talk now. They want use ex-governors money fund Lagos. That means the ex-governors package and a full budget.
Full budget.
A full state budget.
How much Lagos State now they propose for
1.55 trillion or so.
He don't they compete with a
federal budget.
Hey,
Lagos State budget don't they compete with federal budget.
Lagos, the Federal Republic of Lagos State.
When Sanwo-Olu dey do all these things, I see so many things.
Okay,
I read so many meanings. Forgive me, because I don't lose. I no go lie you. I not too dey believe all this our set of politicians again.
Not true.
Because I not believe say dem fit just carry do things for citizens.
They too lie. Not true you talk, bros. Even me.
They no fit just carry do things say make we just do this thing for these people wholeheartedly. If you see Nigerian politicians do anything wey go favour citizens, wey go make citizens happy, or wey go make citizens laugh, or wey go make citizens praise them, na based on say something dey corrupt.
Yeah.
Where they wan release or where they wan cover up.
Na personal interest.
I think you understand now. So when Sanwo-Olu dey talk all these things, I can't reason now. I say, you know, say recently,
Yes.
they don't too bash Sanwo-Olu.
They bash am.
Based on the way they handle
Lagos
issues
State,
yes. Between military and Lekki toll gate shooting and all those stuff, stuff. Yes. I know say people that he really dent his image.
A lot.
He really scatter him. He not just dent his image, he scatter his image.
People lose hope in am.
So wetin me I dey think personal thoughts. You get your own personal thinking.
Yes.
Your thinking is not my thinking.
Not thinking.
My thinking is not your thinking. And the same thing our thinking is not una thinking. But my own thinking be say Sanwo-Olu wan just use this thing to take gather people interest to himself again.
I say man
Because-
don to chook inside on top him matter.
Because this thing wey Sanwo-Olu wan do e too thick. E thick. You wan stop Asiwaju pension.
Please, Jagaban.
Jagaban. You wan stop Jagaban pension. Even San. You wan stop him pension.
The discoverer.
Where go see video camera.
The discoverer.
After how many days when they don clean toll gate.
Investigative journalist.
You wan stop him pension.
I know.
You wan stop Ambode pension. Ambode wey dem dey look like I be wan say dem dey look like Jaguda. Me I know. You wan stop Ambode pension. E go bite you.
They go finish.
Ambode go bite am o. Make dem tell am. So me I just see all these things as say dem wan use am do image laundering. Wan use am clean their image. That is one thing wey me I see for this step where Sanwo-Olu dey propose.
Bros, na true you talk. Because government don fail us. Make we no lie. So if government don dey talk one statement, before they talk and finish, me for my mind I don dey process say this one na lie. Because government too don deceive us. But I say Lagos State is concerned. Me I believe say Sanwo-Olu as the executive governor of Lagos State today, he no go fit just come out take this decision, even based on we know say a lot of our governors wey dey obey constitution. They no dey obey court order. They don see am as say
black and white, not paper and typing.
But outside that, me I believe say Sanwo-Olu go don consult. He go don ask people. He go don consult why. And no forget say even Jagaban himself, Asiwaju, he don come out to say wetin Sanwo-Olu dey people say he support am.
He support am.
He talk am. He say wetin this governor dey talk o. Say he support am. Say na true, so that they go fit say take save costs for Lagos.
He support am.
And as
why you dey laugh now?
Na wetin Asiwaju Jagaba, na wetin he talk be that.
Okay.
Whether he mean am abi no mean am, na he know. You get that kind of thing. So me I believe say governor go don consult why before he take am.
Anyway, if you
But
talk
that's
so,
so.
because me I still dey say am say this one na one systematic way to take divert attention comot for all these one wey CBN dey froze EndSARS supposed EndSARS promoters account. No say that this thing now don dey generate it.
E dey generate.
E don dey generate it among the populace, among the Nigerian people. They don dey do based on say central bank dey freeze EndSARS promoters account.
Yes.
So to douse that heat and to divert people attention, they say me Sanwo-Olu talk this thing.
They say
Na wetin I dey reason o. Forget you go dey talk say yeah, na make I talk this thing because Nigeria politician na people wey go take one hand give you, they go take 32 hand collect back.
na Nigeria politician na dey hear.
Now they say they wan stop good. They wan stop pension for them. Wait, how they go come take dey survive?
Because some of them don build their whole life
Around pension.
pension. Na true.
You understand?
Eh.
They don build their whole life around pension.
Me I believe say some of these our ex-governors, they don't get one portfolio or the other outside the office of Lagos State, outside Lagos State itself. Like our former executive governor of Lagos State, President Raji Babasoro, he na minister. You get? So other areas they will say don't hope for am.
Where they for collect
You
things.
get? And Asiwaju we know. na you know na.
Ti gbogbo. All the ogogo ti gbogbo Asiwaju.
Money wey Lagos State dey give am nothing.
Talk.
You sure say no dey use am even drink wine.
Talk.
For one place you get that kind of thing.
Well, you know say all
That
these
thing
things,
don big.
all these things, wetin me I still dey talk good be say I no get problem
Yeah.
with the fact say they dey pay them this huge pension. I no get problem. I even like am. Make they even give them more.
May give them more.
I like am. But where I get problem with this huge pension wey ex-governors dey collect na say all this money wey dem dey collect,
Yeah. Yeah.
make government of the state make sure say dem dey spend all that money inside the state or inside the country.
Bam. Valid.
Any house wey una dey build for dem, una make sure say all material source in Nigeria.
Made in Nigeria. Used in Nigeria.
Dem sick, dem wan do medical, make sure say na Nigeria hospital dem go.
Yes.
The cars, six cars wey dem dey collect every 3
Nigeria
years,
automobile.
make dem make sure say na made in Nigeria cars.
Na so.
So that this money wey dem dey collect go remain in our economy.
Do our economy good.
No be say dem go say six car every 3 years, so that go dey import car come from one country wey be say dem no know as we take dey hustle for Nigeria here.
That one no good. Those cars don't even know as our road be.
I think you see my argument. Make dem dey make sure say the money wey dem dey pay dem, dem dey spend am for Nigeria. I no go get problem.
True.
Because all this way they say that they end pension, say because Lagos State not get money. All the things where they want to use those pension money do now from foreign that they bring them.
That one no good.
Now from foreign.
That one no good. That one no good at all.
So all these ones now be my argument. Say any money that they pay them as pension, maybe they spend them for Nigeria. Because now me I not see any Nigeria pensioner, normal civil servant pensioner. You not fit use pension money build house.
You know, the money no even reach anything.
You know, where you go see say they say one pensioner he collect pension, he build car, he buy cow or he build house. Now based on say na accumulated pension wey government dey owe, maybe they pay them in bulk. Because if to say government dey righteous, They pay their money monthly
Steady.
as it suppose be. Pension money no should na just to keep body and soul together.
Not true. Not true.
I think you understand what I try talk. So all this while they say they pay their sunshine every pension, make them calm down, make sure say whatever they pay them, then they spend them inside this country. And now when they want stop the pension, me I dey pray oh, may God give Sanwo-Olu the mind. I know say na proposal they propose, him go still pass am the bill to national state assembly. State assembly go debate am. If they approve am, that money wey dem dey deduct so make dem still dey invest am back into the state.
Yes, na so.
Make dem no use am go dey carry one foreign contractor or one for make dem invest am back into the state.
Our government no know say when they invest government money inside the state, inside the country, na wetin go make our economy, go boost our economy be that. No be say you go talk say okay, you dey give them pension, come dey carry everything come from obodo ibi.
Oversee.
You no good.
Anyway, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, we salute your courage. Say you even talk and come out. We salute your courage because it take a very strong-hearted person to even mention that kind of a thing. We thank you so much for your courage, but wetin we dey beg you be say as you dey comot the pension, so as you wan stop am, so God go give you the liver, make you fit take do am. If you do am, abeg no na dey divert that money back to the economy of Lagos State. We take one small break, twin break. When we come back, we go take enter inside na only for Naija. Now welcome back to the show. Na me Osagiato, that fine proud Benin boy. One of na dey call talk nice to sit down here so, and as na dey see am, I still dey inside the studio with my honorable fellow.
Yeah, my own name na Bamidele Okpeyemi Bello, aka MC Bob.
You forget to put the big Yoruba, the big Yoruba guy.
The big Yoruba.
I no be the fight title.
As you don't take the fine proud Benin boy, me I no dey look for which
title you wan give yourself. You go say the big Yoruba boy. Oh my, I like how you know say this life too not balance.
E no balance, bro.
This life not balance. Everybody for Nigeria dey complain say CBN dey freeze EndSARS promoters account. Then they seize their passports. They don't let them travel out. You understand? We dey complain say Sanwo-Olu wan stop ex-governors pension. Ex-governors dey vex. You know, believe say some men, as now you dey talk now, some men for Ganjua local government area for Bauchi State, then they complain give government say condom scarce.
Now wow, oh boy, they condom not dey circulation.
They condom scarce for Ganjua local government of Bauchi. Say that they want government, they give government 24 hours to supply condom, or else they go just dey impregnate any woman impregnatable for area. Oh my love is 40. Oh my people, now so we see life for life not balance. Where many of us they come the verse say they put a levy on top bread. Some the verse say Sanwo-Olu they scrap their pension. Some the
federal government wan go borrow money again.
Some the verse say federal government wan go borrow money. They want borrow and give states
on top COVID-19
for second waves.
Second wave.
They prepare for second wave. First waves with all of us know where first waves end.
Inside storeroom
warehouses. Now that they prepare for second waves.
God go help us.
Anyway, God go help all of us for this country. All right, and as we go take enter inside now only for Naija. You get any message for us, bro?
Bro, say message of light today.
You know the spirit not connect with the spirit world. The spirit don't connect with the spirit world. All right, for my side, now only for Naija or Naija person, now go leave bedroom where they inside house, run go NEPA pole or NEPA transformer, go the peace. If you see that kind of thing, you know, say na Naija person. That's
it. They affect our light now.
Our light go stable. When we come and leave bedroom, go NEPA pole, go the peace. All right, and as we go take question generator on top the show today. But before we go, make we remind you that again say coronavirus still dey very very active. Now yes, say for Europe now they don't dey go lockdown. In short, not they don't dey go, then they lock down now. Yes. So that is to say coronavirus still very very active anywhere they go. Make sure say you dey apply your nose mask well, and then make sure say you dey wash your hand regularly with soap and water. Don't let your sanitizer far from you. Remember to dey give the normal 2-meter gap wey they say make we dey give ourselves for public space.
Very
And last not forget say you be Naija. Anywhere where you dey, make you dey rep this country well. Not let them put hand for wetin go spoil this country name. Not do drugs because no get any better thing where they do for body. Sup? Zoom. All right now, so we take come up for the studio today. Thanks, man. So.